is up, guys? Alright, so it's a little later throughout the day. Sorry it's dark in here. The light in here sucks. I still need to get LEDs, but I have a little ticking noise underneath my car and it's so annoying. I can barely hear my turbo. I think it's because I'm missing a bolt on my header that connects to my turbo piping. I have 2 bolts, but I'm missing one. So it might be an exhaust leak. And then also one of these pipings right here that connect to the intercooler down below, I have a hole down there. It's causing a boost leak, so I need to get that welded. So I'm going down to Palm Springs tonight and I'm gonna take it to a shop tomorrow to just get that little hole welded shut pretty much. But I have to jack up my car because I'm missing a zip tie on my wastegate line underneath and I really don't want that to pop off. I'm gonna jack this thing up real quick. I'll show you guys the ticking noise underneath the car too. It's so annoying. I'm sure you guys heard it earlier in the morning when I was cruising. But yeah, other than that, it feels good. Transmission feels really good, feels solid. I've put about 400 miles on the trans already. I'm going to a meet tonight for ARC Performance down here in Westminster next to Garden Grove, kind of close to Disneyland. So I'm gonna go there with all the homies. The pre-meet's at 6:30 p.m. We're all gonna meet up. It's probably gonna be like 30 of us meeting up before we head to the meet. And then later tonight, we're for sure gonna catch runs because every time I go out with these guys, since I haven't had my car, when I go out with them, I go with my homie in his Mercedes. And dude, there's like so many cars catching runs and I'm just there crying because I don't have my car. But now that I have it, everyone's gonna try to run me. So a lot of BMWs and probably like AMGs and stuff. It's got 2 right here on this side, but it's missing that bolt right up there. So I think that's where the ticking noise is coming from. I'll start it so you guys can hear it. This piping is so tight, but it's like it fits perfect. Here's the turf skis right here. Boom, just straight piped all the way across. It sounds amazing. Alright, let's see if you can hear it. I made it to the pre-meet spot, but I saw Canes right here and I had to eat. I love Canes. There's some sick ass cars here though at the pre-meet. Saw a McLaren 570S, sick ass Lambo. Was it Aventador or Huracan? I'm not sure. Then from here we're gonna head to the actual meet, and then after the meet, most likely gonna catch runs. Like 100% sure we're already catching runs.
Last time we took all over all the lanes, the far left 3 lanes race.
All right, we're all rolling out. About to catch a run with my boy Willie right here. First time catching a run with him. Boosted single turbo Z just like mine. I think he's on 9 pounds or 10 pounds. So we'll see. I'm on 9 pounds right now. Car's running a little lean, but it's all good. It's just all for fun anyways. There's like literally about 30 cars. God damn. Woo! I always get like shaky before I race, like that adrenaline kicks in. I get all cold and it's like 30 degrees right now. So hard to catch a run, there's too many of us. Alright, someone's about to run it. Here they go! my boost gauge, and it's not accurate, but I saw it hit like 20. This one's accurate, but I can't really see it. But it's at 20, but who knows? I don't know if you guys can hear this exhaust leak, but listen to it. So bad. When I did that 30 roll or that 60 roll against the BMW up here, it lagged so bad, like I wasn't hitting boost at all, and then out of nowhere it just pulled so hard. Listen to this. Oh hell no, that shit sounds like a yonke. Alright, well that's it for tonight, guys. My car has the nastiest exhaust leak right now in the headers to the turbo piping. And then I have that other little hole in my intercooler piping. My car's like over boosting right now too, like crazy. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, good runs with everyone. I mean, only caught a couple. It's kind of hard. We kept switching freeways, traffic, and then I was trying to catch up with my boy Willie. I'm gonna throw this thing on the lift tomorrow, fix the leaks, and then get this thing running straight again. It's always something. I get my car back, it's always something. But the trans feels amazing. The trans feels so good. It feels solid. Like the gears feel so smooth when you throw it in, when you're going fast. I can actually really feel the transmission now, how it feels compared to the HR trans. It feels really smooth. Oh my god, this thing sounds horrible. Can't even hear my turbo. At this point, there is no turbo. All the air is escaping before it even hits the turbo. Dude, I know my neighbors hate me right now. This thing is so loud. I feel bad. Oh my god. Little pops too. Alright, that's it for tonight, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching the video, subscribing, liking. It's a fun night with everyone out. Just glad everyone's good, everyone's safe. It's always the most important part after going out, catching runs with everyone. So I'll see you guys later.